Hi, Jesse from Synergy Home Buyers here in St. Augustine, and today at this property we're closing on Friday. A seller called me 2 weeks ago, wanted to get rid of this house. It is in bad shape, like real bad shape, and inside is a complete disaster, which is fine. They don't want to fix it. They don't want to deal with tenants that trash their house like this. I will buy it. We figured out a good price. We're closing in 2 weeks. I'm paying closing costs. I deal with my title company. I make it very easy. There's no sign on the front of the house. There's no traffic inside, even though it's vacant. A private sale is oftentimes a lot easier for people to deal with because it's just, it's a little embarrassing sometimes having a house like this. So give me a call. Even if your home is in pre-foreclosure, if you inherited it, if you have tenants that just are no good, I don't care what it is, give me a call. Even if I don't buy the house, I'd love to talk to you. I love talking real estate. I love trying to figure things out like this. So give me a call. It will not hurt, at no cost to you. I will spend the time, do the research I need. Hopefully we can work something out, but if not, it won't hurt. Just give me a call. I'll leave my number, my link somewhere. All right, I'll talk to you soon.